Hey guys, welcome to Jash Outline. We have crossed 1000 subscribers. I thank each and everyone who have subscribed to this channel. It really means a lot. This video is about Realme earbuds. So let's get started. This is the box of Realme earbuds and it looks good. At the top there is Realme branding. This is the first time Realme launching their earphones and that too in a minimum price. Backside of the box specs are specified like model number, color, speaker size, impedance, sound pressure level, etc. When you open the package, earbuds are presented in this manner and it looks very good. In the earphones box side, earbuds pack is presented and that would help a lot. The earbuds wire is hidden in a small compartment. This is how you need to take out, and I must say that earphone looks really good. Realme earbud comes in a budget category of a 500 rupees. That doesn't mean it is a cheap earphone or not worthy product under headphones category. To find out how the earphones are and the music experience from these earphones, I bought this earphone and I have used these earphones for a while. The earphone comes with a braided cable, so it will be reliable for a very long time because braided cable is the strongest cable type and it doesn't tear out easily. This earphone has a magnets both sides and it sticks together when you bring it close. Apart from this, there is no usage of these magnets like controlling music, pausing music or resuming the music on earphones. It's just a convenience so that it will attach together and hold on. The earphone comes with a inbuilt volume controller and mic. The volume controllers are little bit hard to press. There is a feeling of rigidness while you pressing the volume controllers. It's little hard to press these buttons, but it works fine when you are using. You need to just put a little bit effort while pressing these buttons. The call quality using these earphones are good and the mic is also good. There is no problem to attend a call using these earphones because the microphone is working very fine. There is a joint where the braided cable ends and earphone cable starts, and the earphone cables are kind of okay-ish. I hope they will last long, but it doesn't look like a premium quality. This earphone has a 3.5mm jack which has a silver coating on it and it looks sturdy. The earphone comes with extra 2 pairs of earbuds which covers all the sizes of ears. The earbuds are very smooth and comfortable when you keep them in your ears. These earbuds easily snugs into your ears and it provides you a comfort fit. Overall, the quality of the earphones hardware is pretty good for the price which you are paying. Now coming to the main point, which is the audio quality. The audio coming out of these earphones are above average. The bass it produces is not that great, but it will be mostly fine for most of the members. If you are a bass lover, these earphones are not for you. Regarding the highs, mids and lows, they are decent enough. So it will sound fine for most of the people. Here comes the main question. Should you buy these earphones? If you don't have a budget above 500 rupees, you can get these earphones. But before getting these earphones, once check both earphones which comes around same price bracket. According to me, these Realme earphones are good for the price you are paying. So that's it guys for this video. If you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel because much more content coming up. And do let me know your thoughts about this video in the comment section below. See you guys in the next video. Until then, chill out and keep rocking.